Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Coding Icons, and in this video I am going to tell about again two opportunities that are coming from Morgan Stanley and Zoho. If you are from 2021, 2022 and 2023 batch, then you can apply to this opportunity. Apply, it means you are from BTech, MTech, BCA, MCA, then you can also apply to this opportunity. Package would be 7.5 LPA plus, so these are the best opportunity for 2022, right? And so let's get started with the video. Please watch this video till the end so that you can understand what are the opportunities and many more things are about the opportunity. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I have opened website of careers zohocorporation.com, right? And here is the Zoho mentioned their role like quality analyst, right? And years of experience would be 0 to 2. Job description: create, maintain and execute test plans and test cases, and ability to communicate with various stakeholders and understand complex workflows efficiently, identify high impact areas and variant of testing needed, including scalability and security testing. So these opportunities mainly for the testers, right? And you can read it out more from here. Note: students who are graduating in 2023 kindly refrain from applying this form. It means this opportunity is not for 2023, this is for 2021 and 2022 batch, right? And here one more thing is given: if you have attended any test or interview with Zoho in last 3 months, so you cannot apply, right? And registered candidate will have to come for the direct interview process in Chennai. The exact venue and the date for the test in Chennai will be notified through an interview call letter to your mail ID, right? So from here you have to fill the form and provide all the details, and if you get selected in the company, then you will have the package around 8.5 LPA, right? It varies from 8 to 9.5, so on an average you can say that 8.5 LPA you will get, right? So let's see the next opportunity. Next opportunity is coming from Morgan Stanley, and this is the biggest opportunity for 2023 batch. 2023 Technology Summer Analyst Program, right? Location will be Mumbai and Bangalore. Program description: Summer Analyst, and here you can see that summer analysts join for 2 months in May of each year. Summer analysts are placed into a specific development or infrastructure team, both of which are designed to offer a real-world project-based experience that will demonstrate first-hand what it's like to be technologist for a world-class financial firm, right? So this is like what is duration and all about the summer internship. You can read it out from here. Training program responsibilities will be like this, and qualification skills: you are a bachelor's or master's student in your penultimate year of study. It means if you are in 3rd year, then you can apply. If you are from 4th year, then you can apply to this opportunity, and if you are from 3rd year, then you can also apply to this opportunity, right? And you have experience with at least one programming languages, that is Java, C++, C# database knowledge, and you have operating system knowledge, Windows and Unix. You have excellent problem solving skills, and then you have excellent problem solving, communication, teamwork and analytical skills. You are fluent in English, so these all should be there, right? So you can apply to this opportunity. Students and graduates: so if you are from 2023 batch, then you can also apply, because this is not a May, right? Here you can be confused, like penultimate year would be like 3rd year, so there would be a 2024 batch, but this opportunity is open now. It means you can apply, right? So this is a very good opportunity to apply for, right? And if you talk about its package, then you will get 7.5 LPA as a package, right? And if you convert that in the monthly salary or monthly stipend, then you will get around 60 to 65k. So that's it guys, I wanted to tell about these two opportunities. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that in the future you never miss any update. So let's meet you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.